Hey, what's up, everybody? Rick here, coming at you with a short unboxing. We'll see. Um, what we got? Cold Steel. First time Cold Steel. Actually, this is my first Cold Steel period, but definitely first time on the channel. Pretty excited about this one. It's just one I felt like I needed to have in my collection to experience it, so I know what people are talking about. And I mean, Cold Steel Tried Lock. I wonder what it is, right? What's in the box? 8010. Boom. Um, yeah, I just felt like I needed to have one. And check this out. Box is smaller than I expected to be. I didn't know. I didn't know what to expect here. Got the Riot XOM. I love that thing. Let's get into it. If you like knife content, please give this video a like. Subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it. And you might appreciate it too. I don't know. Everything in this video will be linked down below. Let's get into it. Cold Steel box. Does not come with... Oh, must be a left-handed pocket clip? Okay. Let's get that out of here. All right. She's a beefy boy. She's a beefy boy. And you know what? It's 2025. Whatever. Whatever that means. All right. Let's check this out here. Oh gosh. It's pretty good. Whew. All right. So we got, this is the fully, I don't know. This is not the light. This is the G10 and S35VN. It's made in Taiwan. Damn. Okay. I mean, she's a hefty boy. I'm just gonna keep saying that. She's a hefty boy, because that's weird. What's that? The G10? Yeah. So we got G10. We got some just big old hump jimps. Big old hump jimps. We got some big old hump jimps up here too. Did they say made in Taiwan? Well, it's made in Taiwan if I didn't say that. Triad lock. I don't know what else I can really get into. Looks like a G10 backspacer. Huge steel liners. I don't think this is going to flip well. Let's see. Yeah, you gotta use a little wrist, at least right now. We got the big old S35VN drop point blade. She's beefy. All right, the triad lock. I'm gonna do this two-handed first because I don't know what to expect here. I feel like this will fall down on my hand. Oh, she's sharp. She's got a sharp point there. She's sharp, but she's not that sharp. She's sharp. What are they doing? Yeah, I feel like I'm going to cut my finger off. Yeah, that thing will go right into my hand. I think it would stop, but I don't want to. Can I do this without any wrist? 1, 2, 3. Oh, I mean, that's... Yeah, I can. Okay, you just got to use a lot of thumb. A lot of thumb. But, damn, that feels good in the hand. That thing is... A little choke up there. I'm feeling sharp edges on the liners or on the scales, nothing like that. It's got this big old clip. Ooh. She looks like she's tight too. Big old clip. Oh man, I just feel like I'm gonna lose a finger. I mean, let me know in the comments down below. What's the best way to one-handed close this thing? Is there something I'm not? I guess okay. Yeah, shake it. Okay. I feel like if you just press it for a moment, just give it a little bit. It goes. Yeah. See, it touched my finger. It touched my finger. So this is my second video doing in a row, and I've cut my hand now twice. That's not bleeding though. I'm on a roll today. I'm on a roll. That's why I got the band-aid on my thumb. Now I got a little nick in the finger. I'll survive though. Maybe. Maybe I will. Maybe I won't. So stupid. What's this? Why is there a hole here? Is that for like, I don't know. I don't know why there's a hole there. Please, somebody tell me why there's a hole there. I am curious. Oh. Why is there a hole there? Because if I put something in there, the blade won't open. Because it's where the stop pin goes in here. There is no blade play on this thing. Left, right, up, down. This thing is locked in there. Whew. Okay, that's cool. The triad lock is kind of stiff. I feel like that's gonna break in though. I feel like it has broken in a little bit. Just a couple times I've opened it. I know there's some hardcore cold steel people out there. Please tell me why there's a hole. Curious. Anyways, what else? What's the hardware on this thing? Looks like a T10 pivot. Yep. T6s. T6. Of course, people are calling me. What's the length on this guy? The box is smaller. The knife is basically what I thought it was. It's just under 9 inches. It's with almost a 3 3/4 inch blade and 3.5 inches of cutting edge, just about. And got big old thumb studs. Those are nice. Come up. Feels good in the hand. 4-finger grip. A little choke up. Yeah, this is just initial impressions. It's a very sturdy knife. It feels super sturdy. This is just an unboxing, first impressions. I will give it a carry a little bit and do a full review down the road. The lights. Okay, well, that's what I got. Hey, if you're still here, please give this video a like, subscribe if you haven't already. I appreciate it. Appreciate you for watching. You can also follow me over on Instagram at Rick's Knives. And that's what I got. Thank you for watching and have a good rest of your day. Thank you.